essential oils that will relax you. In addition, if you want to obtain better effects, you can combine aromatherapy with massages and other therapeutic techniques. One of the senses that stands out in this technique is the sense of smell because it's connected to the limbic system. The nose is composed of olfactory nerves that also help differentiate the substances that enter the mouth, since taste sensations originate in the sense of smell. When we perceive an aroma, the aromatic molecules penetrate the nasal area and stimulate the olfactory nerves. These, in turn, send nerve impulses to the limbic system and will cause emotional reactions depending on the type of aroma. Benefits. It's perfect for treating nervous system problems such as stress, anxiety, or depression. Aromatherapy enhances respiratory system function. It relieves muscle pain and reduces inflammation. Aromatherapy combats skin infections. It reduces insomnia. Aromatherapy accelerates blood circulation. Application methods. Inhalation. This is the classic method used to take advantage of the properties of essential oils. They can be inhaled directly or indirectly. It consists of placing a few drops of oil on a handkerchief and inhaling gently. You can also pour the oil into hot water and use as a vapor. Massage. Oils are massaged directly into the skin. Aromatic baths consists of warm baths that contain essential oils. Cold or hot poultices are used to treat skin problems and muscle aches. See also, 7 essential oils that will help you get rid of warts. Precautions. Essential oils are not to be ingested or applied directly to the skin, except lavender. After a massage, avoid sun exposure up to 4 hours later. Don't apply near the eyes or mucosal areas. They are not suitable for babies under 9 months of age. If you want to use them, you should consult your pediatrician first. Oils must be stored far away from artificial lights since they generate a lot of heat. These are some essential oils that will relax you. Lavender. Lavender is one of the best essential oils to calm the nervous system, especially when it comes to lowering blood pressure and skin temperature. When the body soaks it in, it travels to the brain and makes you feel relaxed. In addition, lavender also helps fight insomnia and reduces anxiety and depression. The essence of this plant stimulates the brain pathways, transforming our emotional responses to different situations. However, it's important to control its use, especially in allergy sufferers, since it has effects similar to those of estrogen. Use lemon. This is a yellow citrus fruit from East Asia. One of its main properties is that it calms the central nervous system since it has relaxant, anxiolytic, and soporific effects. To obtain the essence of yuzu, the peel must go through a distillation process with steam. This is how this essential oil rich in limonene, gamma-terpinene, and phellandrine is obtained. When inhaled, our senses experience a mixture of aromas, such as orange blossom, tangerine, and bitter orange. Vanilla. This substance is extracted directly from the vanilla plant. It usually grows in various regions of the Americas, especially in the tropics. Although it's often used for flavoring, it also has antioxidant, soothing, relaxing, digestive, and aphrodisiac properties. In aromatherapy, it helps revitalize the body and channel emotional toll. Also, it relieves depression and anxiety, having a particularly relaxing effect on the nervous system. On the other hand, it acts as an effective balsamic for the treatment of wounds and ulcers. Jasmine. Jasmine is a yang plant from China. The oil is extracted from a bush where white or light brown flowers sprout. It usually grows in tropical and temperate environments. There are 20 known types of jasmine. Jasmine helps heal both physically and mentally. Among its therapeutic properties, its stimulating, analgesic, anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and bactericidal effects stand out. The essence of jasmine is used to lift people's moods. It relaxes you and reduces stress since it makes you feel calm and at peace when you inhale it. As for beauty, it has astringent properties which can be used in creams. It also helps relax muscles and reduce pain and spasms. We recommend, this trick will help you relieve muscle pain in 1 minute. This oil comes from the leaves of the mint plant, which is a hybrid of water mint and peppermint. Thanks to its energetic effects, it controls stress, reduces nervous disorders, and reduces mental fatigue. In addition, its high menthol content makes it the best remedy for abdominal cramps. Also, it helps release phlegm that lodges in the respiratory tract, due to its expectorant effect. On the other hand, it reduces muscle pain. Also, regarding beauty products, it has antiseptic and antimicrobial properties that help improve your skin and hair. Which of these oils convinced you? Let us know.